Okay, so you say your back is what's bothering you?
Yeah, my back.
All right. Well, this is what I do for a living, so you're in good hands, okay? You just start out with a little pecking. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
All right. And then it really starts down here.
Well, it's mostly my back.
Yeah, but I want to get the major areas. Like this leads to a lot. I can feel the tension. I can literally just feel the tension. So,
what?
Yeah, I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. I've been cutting hair my whole life. I'm a hairstylist.
It's mostly
Sir,
my back
you're gonna
that
need
is
to
problem.
relax. Just a minute. I'm trying to get. I can feel the tension down here, and this leads to. You see, I'm working both.
Okay.
I'm working
My
both
back.
areas. Yes, I know. I'm working both. I am a trained professional, but and then
I said my back.
yes. Man, do you feel the difference? I can feel the difference. And then I always touch up here. See, this is your back.
I said my back.
Yeah, I got you. I'm doing the whole around the world. But, man, that tension is... Man, I can feel it under here.
I don't think that's my back.
All right. Okay, now you're feeling better.
Okay. I don't believe that's my back.